Every zombie movie has that moment. The hero opens the trunk, the music swells, and the camera pans across an arsenal that says, "I'm surviving this." From Zombieland's Twinkie-fueled road trips, to World War Z's global chaos, and The Walking Dead's endless ammo shortages, one thing's clear. Not all weapons are created equal. Today we're counting down the top 10 firearms, and a couple quiet options you'd actually want in a real zombie apocalypse, from better than nothing to the end of days gun you pray you can find. Before the countdown begins, subscribe, join the squad, and drop a comment with your number one pick. Alright, let's get practical. Number 10. 22LR rifle, Ruger 1022 or similar. The 22LR gets mocked in movies, but in real life, it's earned a place in the kit. Quietish, low recoil, incredibly common for small game hunting and training. You can carry hundreds of rounds without killing your back, and headshots at close range are possible with good ammo and aim. Real life tip, use this as a stealth utility gun for food procurement, small game, and pest control. Don't expect it to stop a charging human or a sprinting zombie. The 22 is all about patience and precision. Hit your mark or your lunch meat. Number 9. Pump Action Shotgun, 12 gauge Remington 870 or Mossberg 500. The pump shotgun is cinematic for a reason. Its signature cha-chuk is instant drama, up-close buckshot is devastating. Ideal for door defense, clearing rooms, and stopping a walker before it reaches you. Movies like Zombieland lean into the spectacle of a shotgun blast, but in real life the shotgun's strength come with real trade-offs. Heavy recoil, a loud report that draws attention, and rapid fatigue during sustained use. It's mechanically simple and brutally versatile. Use buckshot for immediate stopping power, birdshot for small game, and slugs when you need penetration. Train speed reload and malfunction drills, use a sturdy sling, and rotate ammo types to match the job. Finally, aim for the head when possible to conserve precious rounds. Noise can save your life, but it can also get you company you don't want. Number 8. Revolver, 357 or 44 Magnum. Classic wheel gun. The revolver is the "it just works" option. Think Rick Grimes in The Walking Dead. Simple, brutal, and dependable when everything else is flaky. No magazines, no feed jams. Keep it clean and it'll fire every time. Just like Rick's trusty Colt Python. A properly maintained wheel gun will still work when more complicated systems fail. With heavy hitting cartridges like the 357 Magnum or the larger 44 Magnum, one solid well-placed hit can buy you precious seconds. On screen, a single headshot looks tidy. In real life, you've still only got 6 rounds and slower reloads. So practice fast reloads, carry speed loaders, and treat the revolver as a reliable backup. Number 7. Lever action rifle, 30-30 or 45-70. Lever action rifles are the backbone of frontier-style survival. The kind of dependable guns you'd see guarding places like Hilltop in The Walking Dead. When society falls back to fences and watchtowers, simple and rugged beats fancy every time. A lever gun runs without electronics, resists rust, and hits hard with classic calibers. Movies romanticize them as cowboy justice, but in real life, they're perfect for guarding a perimeter or putting meat on the fire. Just slower to reload than a modern AR. Keep one for patrols, hunting, or as a quiet show of strength at the gate. Number 6. Glock 19 9mm pistol. The Glock 19 is the vanilla champion for a reason. The go-to sidearm for police and civilians alike. It's compact, light, and simple to shoot. A 9mm round is common worldwide, which means easier logistics, readily available ammo, and widespread magazine capability. Something niche calibers can't always offer. In movies, pistols get glamorized as the hero's go-to cure-all. In real survival, they're a pragmatic choice for mobility and speed. Train on reloads and transitions. Keep multiple mags handy, and remember, in a firefight, follow-up shots and mag changes win more fights than a simple hero round. Number 5. Crossbow or compound bow. Silence is tactical gold. Think Daryl Dixon's crossbow in The Walking Dead. No report to ring out across the neighborhood. Reusable projectiles if you can retrieve them, and excellent for stealth hunting. TV makes crossbows look effortless. In reality, they demand patience, physical strength, and demand good aim. Use them for quiet kills and food procurement. Work on your retrieval and stealth. Every missed bolt costs more than ammo. It costs your cover or life. Number 4. AK-47 or AKM. When everything breaks down, the AK keeps going. It's the global workhorse. Simple, rugged, and built to fire no matter how bad things get. 30-round mags and a solid 7.62 hit make it perfect for up-close chaos. Think World War Z, when precision goes out the window and reliability wins. The AK might not be pretty, but it runs whether it's filthy, soaked, or dragged through the mud. Just be sure to carry extra mags, a cleaning kit, and maybe a chiropractor for all that ammo weight. Number 3. AR-15. The AR-15 is the modern patrol rifle. Light, accurate, and endlessly adaptable. Add optics, lights, suppressors. It's a system built to evolve with you. It's what you want when you're moving as a team or holding mid-range ground. In The Walking Dead, the survivors who lasted the longest weren't the ones with the biggest guns. They were the ones who trained, cleaned, and respected their tools. That's the real AR story. It rewards discipline. Keep the gas system clean and the bolt carrier group lubricated. Dirt and carbon are its true enemies. Learn your zero, understand your optics, and practice shooting from cover, not just at range. In movies, the AR looks unstoppable, but in real life, it's the rifle that mirrors its owner. Maintain it, master it, and it'll do its job every time. Number 2. Battle Rifle. When you need to thin the crowd before they reach the gate, 308 class battle rifles are your long-range guardians. Picture rooftop Overwatch in World War Z, taking shots before the horde hits the wall, or the quiet, calculated takedowns of a lone survivor scanning the horizon in The Walking Dead. Even Zombieland shows why range matters. Chaos up close, control from a distance. Movies often paint lone snipers as poetic loners, but real Overwatch is a team effort. It takes rangefinders, zeroed optics, and disciplined trigger fingers. The 308 shines when you're posted on the wall or holding a rooftop. It's heavy gear, no doubt, but when you're standing your ground, that kind of power is worth the wait. Number 1. 12-gauge semi-auto shotgun. Benelli M4 or M1014. Our number 1 pick is the semi-auto 12-gauge. Think Tallahassee shotgun theatrics in Zombieland. Lightning follow-up shots and brutal close-range effect. Semi-autos like the Benelli M4 deliver fast follow-ups and massive terminal performance where it matters most: doorways, hallways, and breach points. In movies, the shotgun is glorious and cinematic. In real life, it's heavy, loud, and eats ammo. Still, for defended positions and quick entry breaching, nothing beats a semi-auto 12-gauge for immediate stopping power. Train reloads, keep spares, and be ready for the attention a shotgun blast brings. So that's the list, from scavenged 22s up to full-power battle rifles. And the king of close quarters, the semi-auto 12-gauge. Quick last notes: train harder than you think you'll need, scavenge ammo smart, keep your gear clean, and balance silence with stopping power. Safety note: this is for preparedness and entertainment. Follow local laws and always handle weapons responsibly. If you like this breakdown, hit subscribe, drop your top pick in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Train smart, stay sharp, and as always, live practical.